Hey guys, it's HazardEdit here, and today I'm gonna show you really quick what we're gonna do today. So it will be really interesting. I'm just gonna delete these here. Actually, I'm gonna keep this one here. I'm just gonna rename it to this here. Okay. So watch out for this file here. And I'm gonna run my program. Watch out for this file. And this is safe, so this is kinda like enter your code to unlock it, something like that, you know. Just an authentication, so you don't want everybody to be able to use it, download it. So only who has the code. So that's why. Sorry guys. Just gonna watch out for this. We enter this code and it will be divided by 79, and then we will get this code, but that doesn't matter, it just matters what we type in. So 27979963325. You successfully unlock the file, and we look in the folder. We have a program right here, testprogram.exe, which is actually 1 kilobyte, and we have a thank you file, which has thank you for using our program, best wishes, HazardEdit. So this is what we want to do now today. So this makes your file safe, and to make it even more safe, you not just want to have test file blah, but you want to have a few DLLs or a few .blah files in the folder. So maybe somebody is quite clever, and then he will just rename it to .exe. So you want to have multiple files so he doesn't know which one it is. Okay, so let's get started right away. As you might have noticed, this is Microsoft Visual Studio Express 2013, so I updated myself to the perfection. And oh yeah, that's what I wanted to do, but right here, and getting messages, I don't know why. I hope it doesn't bother you. So we have the full screen now for coding, and that's good. I can zoom in a bit so you can see better. So first we need to declare our public strings. These will be the file names, and I would do it as the output also. So the file names, yeah. So the first public string, public static string, is file name, and the second one, and actually you put an equal here, and here comes the file name. We wanna transform or copy, or actually whatever you want. And here comes the name, so this will be the output. Yes. It's annoying with these, why not just change, I mean. So this will be the output. Test program.exe. And here comes the code. Oh no, I forgot. Public int, we need a public int because we'll be doing it with dividing through a certain number, and that's how it will work. That will be the key. So public static int 64 code equals 0. There we go. So now we can start. So right here, all we do is write the console line. Alright. And for example, write please welcome to the secure program, I don't know, let's make capital letters, secure program, and welcome to the secure program, authentication or whatever. Not sure if that is right. Please enter your code here. And next we go after, before already, authentication, and this is, we'll make this class just wait. Just static void authentication, and here you go with, so this will be our code that we will have to type in code. So it will be 354117675. I think it's that. And right here it goes, first what we want to do is we want to transform the code. I actually want to read the line, but it's transforming it to, oh wait, that's wrong right now, in 64. And here we go with the parse, and then we go with the console. Just gonna move my mic a bit. It's kinda, yeah, almost right now. Okay, so here we go with the console read line. So basically we're getting the code here because it's an int 64 and console read line is a string, we have to int parse it. Okay. Next, we check if it's if the code divided by 79. I hate this when I do this, but it's morning, so it happens a lot. And the code will be 546556489. So we can check. Now we can check later. So if this happens, then we go to passing. I kinda hate my keyboard, I always mistype. And if not, if it does not go to passing, we clear the console, and then we type, or the console writes. That's what you want to say actually. This was the first one. Now we go to make a new line right here then. No, we don't need to, because we are actually clearing just error. Something went wrong. New line. Console.write. And we write same thing again. Just copy this here. This here and authentication again. Okay, so next, this is actually for trying, so I forgot that. Close and open, and we catch here And what we catch is any exception. Doesn't matter. And clear the console. Seriously, come on. And we write this here again. Oh. Okay. We write this here. And next goes again authentication. So there should not be anything wrong with this happening. And also you can delete link from here and generate, and this also, and this I think. See, we don't need that. And now we go to make our static void, which will be passing. I don't know, I always type what I say, so I'm kinda not talking and writing at the same time able. So there's something missing right here. And there. Well, that could be true, yeah, of course we are handing the authentication right here. And this one waits. There's something wrong here. Maybe there's one too much here, maybe. Yeah, now it's right, okay. And here we see first if the file exists that we wanna exchange. So, and I forgot about system IO because we are needing this right now. Exists, and here comes the file, which is of course file name, and it should be in the same folder, otherwise you put backslashes in front. So if it exists, or actually if it does not exist in this case, then we clear the console again, and right here we type that the file does not exist, of course. Error file, the file plus file name does not exist. Or we could say the required file does not exist. Okay, and for each error we wanna, I forgot to do this right here already, but for each error we wanna make it red. So console.for ground color equals console color red. And we want to copy this and put here gray, because it would keep it, and we don't want it to be red every time now. And we copy the gray to the rest. and something went wrong. Okay, to this one, to the next. So the required file does not exist. Console.readline, and after this we would close it. Okay. But else, if it does actually exist, then lucky you. We file copy the file name, because this is our path where the file comes from, and right here we put the output. So we take the file and copy it as this name here, this program.exe. So it can be any file. It doesn't even have to have an extension. Okay, so next we delete the file because we don't need it anymore. Okay. And what I like to do is to put out the file which is named thankyou.txt, and if it does exist, what I want to do is delete it. And create a new one, just like that. File dot. Now, seriously, why can't you just do this? File dot write all lines to. We write it to this one. Go away. And what we write inside will be something like thank you for using program new line. Actually it won't work with new line. It will be still in the same line, but best wishes HazardEdit. And right here we put console. No, we ASCII. We don't need, because this was another thing. ASCII encoding. Not sure if it has this. ASCII. Now we need the text thing. I forgot. I think it's this one. I should not have deleted it. Yeah, there we go. ASCII encoding.ASCII. Sorry guys for this mistake. And it tells me that this is wrong. But I don't know why. Everything seems to be fine right here. Maybe the extension... No. Maybe the extension... No, it can't be true, because it can be anything. Because we don't have an else. No, wait. If, then we delete it, and then this continues. And why is this wrong? Oh, I'm stupid. Write all text. Sorry guys. And we console write. What do I have this IDE for if it doesn't correct my mistakes? Something like you successfully unlocked the file. In green, for example. No. Console dot foreground color equals console color dot green, because green means right and right is this. And we read the line. That's basically it. So this will end the program. But as we try this, so we don't show up any mistakes here and there. This is added and this is what we have here. Okay. Exception X. Okay. Exception X, and right here goes console clear. Basically we copy this stuff right here from the beginning. Well, almost from the beginning. Here we go. Okay, so this should be working now. So we want to do test file dot blah, because you can use anything really. And I'm gonna go to the folder where I have this file. Code. It's called secured files dot bin debug. There we go. Okay, so here we create this file. Create file. Okay, so I have this file right here, blah. And we will now run this program after we created it in the folder. There we go. So we will run the file and we will have to enter our code here. And what I like to do is, no, let's keep it like this already. So we watch out for this folder, for this file, and we put in our code. And our code is right here, so 354176775. Okay, the code is wrong, definitely, because otherwise it will work. I must have forgot, and okay, there's stuff going on now. Strange, it's very strange. Okay. No, now it should work. Oh, I'm so stupid. I have to create it to make it work. Okay, so watch out for this file here. 279.799.6325. There we go. File successfully unlocked, and there we go. We have a thank you file with our best wishes in here, and we have the test program, which is nothing. And as you noticed, the .blah file is gone. So this is really secure. Also, more if you obfuscate the code, then nobody will be able to find this out. But like this, you don't have many codes, you have just this, but if you add stuff together, you will have multiple codes. Okay, so yeah, I thank you for watching, and see you guys next time. Peace out.